Be a child, my dear student. This is Jyoti Malvi ma'am from Balkrishna School.
So after getting advance money, Kanta takes her doctor to the hospital where she has to stand in a queue again, get to doctors. At this point you can understand Kanta's condition. Her daughter Gudiya is ill. She can't take off her. Now this makes Kanta sad and this makes her think she is actually equal or if just right to vote. She thinks Jain Madam and Jain Sahab may stand in queue to vote, but they be never to do it now when their children are sick. Now later we will discuss more about of this. Now our next topic is universal adult franchise. It is also called universal suffrage. In a democratic country, all adults have one vote in respective their wealth, religion and gender. So all adults, which rich or poor, Hindu, Muslim, Jain, Christian, Sikh, no matter male or female, are equal and have only one vote. Now students, as we have seen throughout of the story how Kanta's economy, living condition are far from equal. Every democracy makes effort and reform to treat all citizens equal, but that does not mean that there is no any equality in a democracy. Let's see how the wealth, working conditions, living conditions are Kanta's in contrast. In that offers employers also one of the more common for if inequality. In Indian society, it is the caste system. It is commonly seen in especially matrimonial. Matrimonials are the age that you see in newspaper for marriage. In matrimonial, even the educated boy or girl prefer to marry in their caste. Next we will discuss Dalit. Dalit used by so-called lower caste people to address themselves. Dalit means broken. By using this word, lower caste were pointing at how in the past they were and continue to be discriminated against. And this even happens today and some parts of India. Speaking of Dalit, now we will study Mr. Om Prakash Valmiki. So tomorrow we will discuss Mr. Om Prakash Valmiki. Up to that time, be a child, enjoy learning.